2026 Chevrolet Silverado 3500HD. It delivers power and performance along with tons of features such as lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, four-wheel drive, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, keyless start, power outlet, keyless entry, auxiliary input, stability control, passenger side airbag sensor, limited slip differential, adjustable steering wheel, daytime running lights, traction control. This is a top-rated dealer. Don't risk the regrets. Test drive it today.